Hi, this is Cherie Lynn for Just Nailed It. Today I'm going to be doing some smush marbling. I have got these two fingers prepped with the liquid latex that I got off of Wish. I have my jelly stamper, which we're going to be using, my lint roller, my go-to purple from Sinful, and I am using a Wet Wild Mega Blast whipped topping for my white. I'm going to apply the nail polish directly onto the head of the jelly stamper. The purple is really dominating, so I'm not going to put that much on here. I've done this before for a collaboration for Alzheimer's awareness, and the purple really dominated over the white. So we're going to be adding more white than purple. I don't know if you can see this on camera. I'm trying to make it so you can. And we are going to go over our middle finger. If you can see through here. Just give it a couple, maybe you want to swirl it around. Take your lint roller. Wipe off the polish. That is how you clean a jelly stamper, is by a lint roller. Do not ever use nail polish remover. I'm going to take my orange stick and to go around the edge of my nails, try to get some of this excess polish off here. We've got a little start here from where the liquid latex stuck to my other finger, and I'm going to pull that off, and I need to do some cleanup here. This is kind of messy, that's why I use the liquid latex. I do really like this method though. I do need to invest in a cleanup brush here really soon. But for now, I take the orange stick, dip it into fingernail polish remover, and have at it. It does work, probably maybe not as well as as a cleanup brush. But I have not found one yet that I like. Whoops. Gotta get this off up here. There we go. Now we're going to proceed on to our next nail. Our one last. Move that, grab the white. Put a couple of dots of white nail polish on the head of the jelly stamper, and we are good to go. Okay, last finger. Give it a couple of turns maybe, and there you go. Get your lint roller. Clean off your head of your jelly stamper. And once again, I'm going to take the orange stick, go down each side of my nail, and try and peel up the liquid latex. It's easier if you have a pair of tweezers, at least it is for me. There, we've peeled that off. Now I have to go back in with the nail polish remover and my orange stick to clean it up. I hope you like this. You should let this dry before putting on your top coat or even your fast drying top coat, because this is quite a bit of polish on the nail at one time. This is like probably putting 2 or 3 coats on at once. I probably should use a paper towel for my wiping of this off, but I don't know. I have a towel that I keep for it, and that's what I use. There we are. The manicure is done. I hope you like it. It is called Smush Marbling. Wait for this to dry. Make sure you put on a layer of fast drying top coat, and you are good to go. Make sure you clean up your cuticle area. I think I did a pretty good job with the orange stick. This finger could use maybe a little bit more. But I'll do that off camera. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for notifications of all future videos. Click the like button, and if you have a comment, please leave that down below. I do answer all. Have a blessed day. Thanks for watching.